guys, here's deer camp. Next few days. The old Predator running. Some AC. Just home for the next few days. Catch you in the morning in the tree. Little homeless fella coming out of the woods there. Well, we're up in the tree now. The fog this morning is ridiculous though. Every time I try to use my rangefinder, everything's 8 yards away, so. But, sit here, see what we can come up with. I think the deer moved from coming through this area. I think they're on the acorns, as there ain't nothing going on sign wise down through here. But we'll sit it out and see what happens, and then come this evening we'll go try to find us a hot tree and get on it. Nothing happening on this morning sit. Go back to the truck, look at the map, and come up with a game plan for this afternoon. Probably walk around and try to find some acorns and some sort of sign around, something like that, and then go from there. So I'll see you this afternoon. Alright, this is the setup for the evening set. I don't have a lot of confidence in it, but I was running out of time, so sitting on the end of this CRP field. Can't really see it from here, but there's a trail goes right through there, right back behind that dead tree. So we'll sit tight and see what happens tonight. Alright, all set up for the evening set. I scouted all morning and found this spot. Right there's a persimmon tree. It's dropping persimmons pretty good. And all this back here is just scattered oaks all through there. So we'll see what it brings. Looks like somebody's about to drive back here at Deer 30. Yeah, sure enough. That was nice enough of them. Hard to see, but there's a big doe down there. Quite a ways away. It's just a blur on here. Set up across from this old clear cut. It's kind of a horseshoe shaped clover field, and it wraps around the corner of this clear cut. And then I'm 10 yards off of the clover field in the wood line. Last night, I don't know if you can really see it on video, but a big, huge mature this morning it's about 5 degrees cooler this morning than it has been. But it's just now starting to break gray light, so we'll see what happens. Well, this morning's set didn't go as planned. Didn't see anything but a couple of turkeys. So we're going to move to another set, for another spot for the evening, and we'll get back with you in the tree whenever we find out where we're going to be at. Alright, I'm along the back side of a 5-plus-year-old clear cut, and behind me, 100 yards, is a green field, and then to my right some CRP going all the way up the ridge. So what I'm hoping is they come out of this clear cut, move through these standing oaks here into that green field, or come from the woods to the left and move over, cross over to the CRP. Had a bunch of pictures in here the last year. Never hunted it. Had a 9-pointer, a couple 8s, stuff like that. So if any of those made it and still in here, they ought to be pretty good deer. So we'll sit tight and see. Only seen one deer on this trip so far, and it came out 15-20 minutes before dark. So if they get up on their feet, we'll see what happens. 4:27 right now. So we'll see. Forgot to add that my best shot through here is 20 yards. The rest of it is just a jumbled up mess, as you can see. There are limbs, tiny branches everywhere. So hopefully they come through here where I can get an open lane. I didn't even know what to say. That was insane. That first doe come, it's the fawn, I think, come walking through here, just kept going. And the second one come bounding through here like it was, I don't know what the heck the thing was doing. It made a big U-turn, come back up. And then the bigger doe was in the back. And she come walking up towards, just real skittish, looking around constantly. I think it's because my wind was swirling in here so much. She come through there, and I hope I got it on video. I think I got it on my bow cam. But she carried the arrow. It looked like a good shot. She ran through the thicket, which is gonna suck getting in there. And I heard a crash not too far in there, but she was moving. I think I hit the offside shoulder, that's why it stopped. But I heard a crash after she ran up in there, so I'm gonna get down and go look, see what I can find. I think I got a little bit on my other camera here, but it's gonna be between my quiver, so sorry about that. I thought they were gonna come straight across here and it's gonna be perfect, done, but it did not work that way. God almighty. All right, I'm gonna get down and see what I can find out, and I'll get back with you. I don't see any blood right away. Nerve-wracking. Oh yeah, there's some of that deer blood. Pumping like a sieve. I must have hit her right in the pump house. Leave this right here. God, the ground's harder than concrete. Put it right here. Jump that. Oh, I'm not gonna like going through there. Yeah. All right, I'll get back with you guys in just a second. Well, it wasn't easy. She only ran about 50 yards, but this is like the second threshold of hell that I had to go through to find her. But she's right there. I'll pull her out here and get a better look at her in just a second. There she is. Finally got up here to her. Check that out. Huh. All right. Came through both shoulders and it's barely poking out the skin. She snapped it off. But, all right, I'm gonna try to get her out of here and I'll try to get some pictures back at the truck, but I got a ways to go.